Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new month, a brand new kit. I'm so happy that you are here with me today. I am excited to show you the contents of this kit, Written in the Stars. It's so magically beautiful. Let's dive right in. Okay, two new full box sticky notes. I am addicted to these. I love these full box sticky notes. So as you can see, they're part of the VB Essentials line. Their little sneak peek, well, not really sneak peek, but you'll be seeing a lot of different designs for these full box sticky notes. So all the leftovers will be launching with the VB Essentials line coming up soon. These two designs are the limited edition ones just for this kit. Let's talk washi tape. So of course, like all the other kits, two different size washi tapes. The first one, this is the 15mm. It is the night sky. So pretty. Has a dark blue background, and then lots of glittering hollow silver stars. The next one is the thinner one, the 7.5mm. It is, I like to call it Celestial Ombre. This is my favorite. I love this ombre pattern. Isn't it pretty? When I think this is one of my favorite patterns I've done for a kit. I really had to bring these back because you loved them. I was so surprised. A lot of you left me comments and messages saying that you adored these new washi tape sticker rolls. So, you know, I decided to bring them back because you guys love them so much. Okay, so here I am taking off the negative parts, which is the parts that are around the actual sticker, because it's just easier to peel off of the roll. I did this with my previous sticker washi sticker rolls too, but I love these little illustrations, this artwork, and then the other one are days of the week, so they are in the font that matches the kit. So you have Monday through Sunday, and you can put these in your planner on sticky notes. So fun and very, very functional, I think. I know you want to see more of these. I have these coming in the VB Essentials line, so I'm really building up the VB Essentials line, because I have noticed that, and a lot of you have given me feedback that you want stuff in the shop that you can purchase all the time, which I totally agree. So I'm working on building that, and I'll go into more deep detail about the VB Essentials line and why I created it, and you know, the background behind some of the products and why I did this and why I did that. So hopefully in time for anniversary of this year. I brought in a brand new shape for the transparent page flags. These are half circles, or you can even call them half moons. I thought these would be perfect for this celestial themed kit. They come in the three main kit colors, so kind of a pinkish violet, a deep purple, and a deep royal blue. Don't forget to always use like a permanent pen, like a Sharpie pen with the felt tip Sharpie pen, or a uni pen, or I think it's the Sakura Perma pen, I believe that one is. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, those are the best pens to use with this type of material. Next are the transparent stickers and cards. Oh, you have to see this month's cards. They are gorgeous. Okay, that hollow silver foil, it just pops with these darker colors. So I really like this quote too. I think this one's fun. And then this is the moon. Don't forget to take off the protective film. On the back we do get a couple emails a month about the film, so don't forget to take that film out. Oh yeah, and then these are the stickers. Brought these back for this month since last month we skipped out on them. For me personally, I use the words a lot, and then the little shapes, you know, to use as checklists. But these are so functional, and I'm happy you guys like these. So These are a new product. Well, I don't know if I want to call it a new product because I did include this type of magnetic bookmark in last year's Halloween kit, but it was a different shape and different material. So I kind of went back to the drawing board and had to improve it a little bit better because I just felt like it needed a little bit of work to do, but I'm happy with this final result. I hope you guys like this type of design a little bit better. Let me tell you about these. They're super magnetic, strong, faux leather bookmarks, so you can put them in your planner, but you know, I wanted to have kind of a double feature for them. So this one's gonna go here to show you how strong they are and how many paper, paper it can hold. Oh, sorry. Alexa wants to tell us there's someone at the front door. But I also wanted it to show you, to hold your VB pen so you don't lose your VB pens. Right, sorry. It will also, you can place a cap on there because the cap is metal and the magnet will hold it so you don't lose your cap, and you'll always remember to put your cap to the side and not to the end of your pen. But there you have it, brand new product. I hope you guys like this one. Please let me know if you want to see these in different colors. I love them, super functional. Let's talk about this one's kit pen. This one is written in the stars. It has gunmetal hardware and shimmer, kind of blue purple paint. I haven't done shimmer paint for a really long time. It has kind of like a royal blue, a dark blue, and purple crystals with, I would like to call it kind of a purple dark hollow stars. Super pretty in person. This month's sticker book is so pretty. I can't wait for all of you to get your hands on it and see it in person. Again, the dark colors with that silver hollow, it just pops. And plus, with the new paper, it looks so magical. As you can see, look at those dark colors and that silver hollow. It is so pretty. I love it. I don't do silver hollow so much. I usually stick to that light gold champagne color or the rose gold. Last month was silver, and a lot of you left me comments saying you liked the silver. It was a different change, which was good. So here is the sticker book. Oh, silver foil. Who does not? I know some people don't like silver foil, or silver hollow foil, I should say, but I think the silver hollow foil works really well with these colors, don't you think? When I was designing this kit, I knew I had to kind of incorporate constellations and astrological and zodiac signs, and I found a really, really, really fun way. I teamed up with Ombre from the Primrose Corner to create a stack of Zodiac cards. So you get 12 heavy. These are pretty thick cards, you guys. I have never done something like this before. And they're all foiled. So this is the cover one. On the back of the cover, there's a quote. I cannot express how excited I am with these cards, and for you to get them and touch them and feel them and just admire them. Each card has your constellation, it has your zodiac sign, it has a symbol, and on the back is a primrose girl. Each one is totally different with little gold details as well. I decided to go with a neutral color palette for these, with a black marble background for the front and then more of a kind of nude background for the back. I can't wait to see how you incorporate these cards in your planners, if you're gonna display them in your, on your desk, on your, maybe you have a pegboard or a bulletin board. So fun. I'm really proud of these. Thank you again, Amber, for collaborating with me for designing these awesome Zodiac girls. I've been getting messages on what's my sign, so I'm a Sagittarius. This one right here. Leave a comment below and tell me what your sign is. Yeah, I cannot wait for you guys to get this. I am so excited. So this wraps up the basic products in this month's VB kit. Now I'm gonna quickly go through the paper pack. You get the 2 vellum and the 4 heavy cardstock. You will only get this paper pack if you purchase the basic kit plus paper pack. But I wanted to take this moment and welcome all the new members to the VB fam. Like, welcome to villabeauTIFFul. Thank you for your support. Thank you for allowing me to be part of your planning journey to plan your life. I have so much new stuff coming in the next couple months that I really can't wait to share with all of you. So welcome new members. Thank you to all the members that have been with me for ever since the beginning. There's a lot of you, so thank you. It means so much. Alright, you guys, that is a wrap for this month's kit. I hope you love what you see. If you missed out, you'll need to be on top of it and subscribe to the VB newsletter for a date when VB kit extras, especially for this kit, will go on sale if there's any after pre-orders. I know the kit extras will go fast. Make sure that you pay attention to that newsletter and whenever we post reminders on social media. Before I leave you, I just wanted to quickly touch base on next month's kit. It is going fast, so if you haven't pre-ordered, you need to pre-order now. I have collaborated with Papershire Stationery again for a plant mama kit because you all know I love my plants. Thank you for all your support. Means a lot, and I will see you next month.